guys! Today we're going to be reviewing some things that we haven't talked about in quite a while. And the first one was at the beginning of the year, we talked about this acronym MINTS. And this helps us know when to capitalize different words. Can you guys remember what the M stands for when we talk about things we need to capitalize? The M can stand for months. And then I'm going to put days at the end of that as well. Months or days. We always need to capitalize a month like January or a day like Monday. What does I stand for? What do we capitalize that starts with I? Well, I actually stands for I. If I said something like, I love ice cream, I needs to be capitalized whenever I use that word or letter. All right, down below, N. What does N stand for that we need to capitalize? N stands for names. So we always capitalize names like Mrs. Thompson, Deborah, Jacob, Naomi. These are all names that we need to capitalize. What does T stand for? T stands for titles. A title of a movie or a book. Those things are always capitalized. And finally, S. What does S stand for? S stands for the start of a sentence. That's a lot to write. All right, we always capitalize the start of a sentence. So when we capitalize months and days. We capitalize I when we're talking about ourselves. We capitalize names. We capitalize titles of things. And we always capitalize the start of the sentence. So let's do a little practice here. I've written out, Mrs. Thompson lives in Burlington. She has watched the movie Frozen. So let's look at the beginning. Mrs. Thompson. Is there something wrong here? Yeah, Mrs. Thompson needs to be capitalized. And I'm going to use a mark you probably have not seen before. But one way to tell that you want to capitalize a letter is to put 3 lines below the letter like this. So Mrs. needs to be capitalized for 2 different reasons. For one, it's the start of my sentence, and it's also part of my name. So the M in Mrs. Thompson and the T in Thompson need to be capitalized. So I've put 3 lines below to show that. Mrs. Thompson lives in Burlington. Burlington is the title of our city, so we need to capitalize the B in Burlington. All right, Mrs. Thompson lives in Burlington. Next sentence, she has watched the movie Frozen. What's the first thing I need to capitalize here? The S in she. She is starting my new sentence, so I need to capitalize the first letter of my sentence. She has watched the movie Frozen. Now, Frozen is the title of a movie, so the F in Frozen should be capitalized. All right, so my name, the title of our city, the start of the sentence, and the title of a movie, all important things we needed to capitalize. Good job. And let's do one more quick practice. Now we need to review Dr. Dot. So we've talked a lot about syllables, the parts in a word. Dr. Dot helps us separate syllables. So the word fastest. We know fastest has 2 syllables. Dr. Dot is going to tell us where the syllables separate. So in fastest, I'm going to put my dot right here. Fast is the first syllable. Est is the second, fastest. Now we have blesses. Where do you think Dr. Dot will go in the word blesses? He's going to go after bless, before is. Blesses. What about the word boiling? Where will Dr. Dot go? He'll go after boil, before ing, boiling. And last one, dishes. Where do we put Dr. Dot? After dish, before as, dishes. All right, so capitalization and Dr. Dot. These are things you will need to know for your assignment. Good luck, and I'll see you soon.